A cell is the smallest unit of living organisms. All living things have cells. As such, they are one of the building blocks of life. Cells are so small that we cannot see them with our bare eyes. In order to be able to see a cell, we have to zoom in with a microscope. Did you know that some living things only have one cell? These organisms are called prokaryotes, and they are things like bacteria. Prokaryotes do not have a nucleus. Things that do have a nucleus are called eukaryotes. Cells have lots of different parts, and the parts of a cell are called organelles. Each part performs very specific functions, like a special task that it was made to do. Some of the special jobs cells do are providing structure and support for our body, taking nutrients from the food we eat and converting it to energy, and also containing our genetic information. This is the information that tells our bodies what to look like. It's also called DNA. To learn more about DNA, be sure to check out our video, What is DNA? With all of the different parts and different jobs, cells basically work as a mini city. Each organelle in a cell is related to the different parts of the city, and all of these different parts together help run the city. Cells have a nucleus that acts like City Hall because the nucleus runs all of the city operations. The nucleus also contains all of the genetic information for the cell. The mitochondria of a cell acts as a power plant and is in charge of the energy for the cell. Lysosomes are the garbage facilities of Cell City because they get rid of all the cell's waste. Ribosomes are the city factories. They create structures called proteins that help the cell stay healthy. The endoplasmic reticulum is the cell highway. It's a network that allows things to move around the cell. Finally, the edges of Cell City are defined by the cell membrane. This city limit also regulates what is allowed in and out of the cell. Although cells are tiny and invisible to our bare eyes, they are complicated and busy cities made up of many organelles. Each organelle has a specialized structure to help it do its specific job. The structure of an organelle, and thus the structure of a cell, helps determine its function or job. And trillions of these mini cell cities work together to make up our body and keep us alive.